Good afternoon, guys. This is Nat again. Um, what am I doing today is to show you how we can crack these little guys open. I'm not sure if you know what it is, but it is actually the snack that I'm pretty familiar with when I grew up in Thailand. We call it Khao-Larm in Thai, or I can say sticky rice with a red bean in a bamboo tube in English. This is the real bamboos, guy. This is the real deal. So I'll show you how we can eat it. And if you would like to try one of them, they are available in Thai town in Sydney. I think they're pretty much available everywhere. The thing is, the bamboo tube back home actually kind of thinner than these bamboos. The tubes I am showing you right now, I think they have kind of big shell, like pretty big. But I tell you, don't ask me how they make it. I don't know, but I know how to crack them open and eat them. Let's get started. Right. First of all, we just have to open this thing out. Just take it out somehow. Guys, we don't eat this. We don't eat this. Okay, this is not edible. Don't eat this. As you know, this is a piece of plastic. You can't eat this either. Don't eat this. This is not edible. Tell your kids, don't eat this. This is not edible. All right. Now, we can eat things in here. That's what we are eating. So we just have to crack it open. If you happen to have two sticky rice bamboo tubes, knock them together. Get your kids to do it, as long as don't put the fingers in the middle of it, otherwise you guys or your kid gonna hurt themselves. Just hit it. Just use the one that you didn't actually peel the lid off. I call this lid. I don't actually know what I should call it. I don't know what it's made of, but it is the lid. Crack it, and you're gonna hear the see. Yeah, it's actually cracking. If you only have one Khao-Larm and you want to eat them so badly, the easiest way to crack it is just to knock it with your wall. Just knock it. If your husband is a builder and he just finished painting the wall, he will be slightly pissed off, but give him a big smile and share this with him. He will feel better. I guarantee. So now you can see after you hit it, you see, it's cracked. You see the crack, right? And then you just massage the tube, massage it. You can massage it as hard as you want because you're gonna have to open it anyway. Now, give me a second. Then you're gonna see. You know when bamboo is crack open. All right. Now get into the business. To open it, just peel it off like you are peeling a banana. This is a bamboo banana. We are peeling this like a banana. This is good. One come out. Another one. When it peel out, you're gonna see the shell here. This bit is edible. It is the best part. It is the part that holds the sticky rice and red bean together. I don't know if it's red bean or black bean, but it's some sort of bean. I like them too. Okay. Now we peel and the other one. Ta-da! And I'll peel on this side of the video so you see how I peel it off. Guys, if you go to Thailand, you have to make sure you try this. If you love sticky rice, you're gonna love this too. But don't eat it too much because it makes you full. Sticky rice fill you up pretty quickly. But it shouldn't be a problem, you know, you go to Thailand, you eat anyway. There you go, you just keep peeling it until the last bit, which is hard to peel. You talk about environmental friendly. This Khao-Larm is the most environmental friendly little edible thing on earth, I believe, because besides that little piece of plastic, everything is natural. And that's it. We can't peel this off anymore. No, I can't peel this off anymore because it's kind of hard. So what we are doing after this is the edible part. This is what we can eat. This is where sticky rice and the beans are. And you see how you eat it. You just peel it off. Peel it off. Ta-da! It come out just like that. Success! I just peeled sticky rice out of the bamboo tube. If you know the better word than the word bamboo tube, let me know. I'm happy to hear from you because I don't really know how you call it. I call it bamboo tube. I'm not good at cooking, but I'm good at eating. So, and what we are doing is a very simple procedure. We just crack it, just eat it. That's it. Tutorial on how to crack Khao-Larms open so we can have. This is very yummy. I'm gonna have to finish them all off. Have a lovely day, guys, and see you soon.